Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3, that is GUI operating system. In this video we will cover four topics of this chapter, that is introduction to operating system, functions of operating system, user interface and its types, Windows 7 and its components. Let's begin with the first topic, that is operating system. Operating system is a software program that controls the overall activity of the computer. Means operating system controls the input devices, output devices, storage devices and processing devices. All these devices are controlled by the operating system, and it is the first software which has to be installed on the computer. If there is no operating system in the computer, then computer is a useless machine. Let's take an example. If you have a car and which has petrol also, but there is no driver to drive the car, can car move its own from one place to another? No, because driver is must to drive the car. Same as operating system is a must to work with the computer. Next is the functions of operating system. First is controlling hardware. Operating system manages all the physical components of the computer. Second is running software. Software such as MS Paint, Excel, games, all these types of softwares are managed by the operating system. Next, third is booting. This is the major function of the operating system. It is the process of starting and restarting the computer. There are two types. First is cold booting, second is warm booting. The process of starting the computer is called cold booting, and the process of restarting the computer is called warm booting. Restart means start up again. Next topic is user interface. We need a user interface to interact with the operating system, and user interface controls how user enter data and instructions and how information is displayed on the screen. There are two types of user interface. First is CLI and next is GUI. CLI is command line interface. In this, we need a keyboard to type the commands to perform a specific functions. An example is DOS, that is disk operating system. If there is a disk operating system in your computer, then you have to type the commands to perform a specific function. Next is a GUI, that is a graphical user interface. In graphical user interface, we need a mouse to access windows, icons or menus. In this, user interact with the operating system by using a mouse. Example is Microsoft Windows. There are so many versions of Windows like Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8. In this chapter, we will discuss about Windows 7. Windows 7 is one of the most popular operating system, and it is a GUI based operating system in which pictures, images, icons and menus are there to give the commands. And now we are going to discuss the components of Windows 7. This is a desktop screen of a Windows 7. Here are so many components of Windows 7. Components means parts of Windows 7. This is a Windows 7 screen. First is a desktop icon. Desktop, the small buttons like pictures on the desktop are called icons. Just double click it to perform the functions and to open it to open by double click on it. Next is a start button. Here is a start button on a left corner of the taskbar. Simply click on it and one start menu will appear, and this start menu lists all the installed programs in the computer. Next is a notification area. This is a notification area. It displays small icons that notify you about tasks that are happening on your computer. Okay, now this is a taskbar icon. We can use these icons to launch some Windows 7 features with a single click. Next is a mouse pointer. This is a mouse pointer that we can use to point the objects, single click the objects or double click the objects. This is a date and time. it shows the current date and time on your computer. That's all for the today. Rest of the topics we will discuss in next video. Thank you.